Sometimes you have to encourage yourself. Sometimes you have to speak victory during that test. And no matter how you feel, speak the word and you will be healed. Speak over yourself. Encourage yourself in the Lord. Sometimes you have to speak the word over yourself. Depression is all around, but God is a present help where the enemy created war. But remember, giants, they do fall. Speak over yourself. Encourage yourself in the Lord. As I minister to you, oh, I minister to myself. Life can hurt you so until you feel there's nothing left. So no matter how you feel, speak the word over your life and you will be healed. Speak over yourself. Encourage yourself in the Lord.